Alright guys, we're back with Spiderman Ps4 Part 2. And yeah, let's get it started. Alright, let's go. Oh shit. Oh, I would've forgot. I guess we're going over there for the next mission. Walk around. Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, so this audio kind of sucks, I know, but I know I will get a better mic soon. Gotta just want to test out a little bit. Yeah, so let me know if y'all got this game too, cause this game is awesome. Recommend it. Rate 10, 10, thumbs up. I don't know. But don't be- Like, let's move. I like the way the camera moves. Man, but you- oh shit! I just crashed the wall. Alright. Yeah, so yeah, get to the game, guys. Like,
I'm sorry I'm late.
quick.
Oh. You started without me.
The grant committee's director will be here soon. It's fine, Parker. I invented this equipment. I think I can handle it.
Alright. Oh shit!
Oh, man.
Everything's going out of control.
Not yet.
We better find the exit.
Hold on!
Or I'll find the exit.
Dr. Octavius, are you okay?
Okay.
Another setback.
So we found another building. Chilling.
But we're close.
Get close to death.
Is anyone hurt?
No, it was all my fault.
The energy levels exceeded our expectations. From a certain viewpoint, that's a very positive development.
It doesn't smell very positive.
Also, I
I
just
assure you,
I
in the
told
next
him earlier.
phase-
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Is there somewhere
Yeah,
else we
sorry.
can discuss this?
Maybe you should take the rest of the day off, Peter.
But
We'll talk later.
See, we could talk about money. Bills ain't gonna pay themselves.
that was a disaster. How could the dampener have failed? I know
Oh.
Doc said take the day off, but I have to figure out what went wrong.
Traffic's are good, guys.
Ooh, you are in bad shape, little guy. Let's see what's wrong with you.
So we're doing a little tech support.
Circuit burned out.
Oh no,
Damn
he's
it. If I had been here to do the pre-check, I would have caught this.
yeah.
Got it.
There we go. Yeah.
out servo control.
That won't work. This one will though. Oh. There we go. There we go.
Nice. Okay, what next?
What?
Now rebalance the voltage.
There we go. Oh wait. Another one?
Finished.
There we go. I was like, well, man, why is that working? There we go.
Let's see if that worked. As good as new. Doc's been testing new materials for the prosthetics. He asked me to review his work if I had time. May as well dig in now. Doc was testing a new contact material for the prosthetic.
We can read that. We'll skip through that. Oh, gotta hold it. Gotta hold it. No, easy. Wait. This. There we go. You guys, we got it.
Hydrogel polymer composite. Strong, but there's a lot of impedance. Better tell Doc to keep looking for other materials.
We got this part done.
All right. I should get out of here before I screw things up for Doc even more.
Dang, that seems awesome. Imagine having a suit like that in real life. It actually works.
Spider-Man, it's Yuri.
So, Yuri.
Fisk make it to Rikers yet?
Not Rikers. Our boy qualifies for the VIP treatment. He's in the raft.
Ah, joining Scorpion, Electro, and the rest. Fisk should be honored. That's a steam company.
Can you swing by the precinct? Got an issue that could benefit from your unique skill set.
For you, Yuri? Anything. I'm on my way.
I'm on my way. It's for you.
Huh. Looks like Jameson's
I like
got
the
a new
music, like the
episode out.
way.
Wonder what my
Like every
number
time
one
you
fan
swing,
thinks
like the
about
music
Fisk
starts.
takedown.
Just the Facts with J.A.H. where listeners like you discuss the issues affecting our city with Pulitzer Prize-winning two-time Pulitzer Prize-winning former publisher of the Daily Bugle. Hey, plug the book. And as always, if you order Mr. Jameson's book, Spider-Man, Threat or Menace, within 24 hours of our broadcast, you'll get an autographed copy at no extra charge. No personalizations, don't ask, not gonna get it.
Welcome to Just the Facts with J. Jonah Jameson, alerting you to the threats you don't even know about. Let's dive right into the calls. Speak.
Okay, so not for nothing. You gotta give Spider-Man respect for taking down Wilson's fist, right? I mean, one less mob boss is good for everyone.
Is that right? Tell me, are you a police officer? Prosecutor? Maybe an award-winning reporter with decades on the job like me?
No, I'm a plumber.
Oh, good. Then fix my toilet and shut up! Let me explain
That's
something
messed
to you
up.
about crime bosses. Soon as one goes down, every punk with a gun, a tracksuit, and a drawer full of gold chains decides he's the next godfather. We're gonna have a gang war on the street, but does that whip-headed moron give a damn? Of course not. He got on TV. That's what counts.
Right. So what's up, Yuri?
Now that you quit smoking, what do you tell people when you come up here?
That I need a break from their crap.
Okay.
Fair enough. So,
Okay.
why'd you call? Need a date to the policeman's ball?
You got a black and white suit?
Should I find one?
No ball this year anyway. We spent too much integrating Oscorp surveillance tech.
Worth it though, right?
It was. Till an hour ago. The system went down. Citywide. Every tower.
How?
They tell me someone sabotaged the central server, and now all the towers are offline.
Inside job?
My neon scratched up.
We'll figure it out later. Right now, we need to get the towers back online. Fast.
And you called me? Aw, that's sweet.
I called someone I could trust. Plus, the signals are scrambled, and we have no idea how to fix it.
Ooh. I love a challenge.
You break it, you buy it.
I thought you trusted me.
Hell no. Alright.
Let's take a look at this. Input bands have been shifted. Subtle.
It's like that Batman thing. For Batman, you know.
We just had a tower come back online. Was that you?
Not just a
Oh,
pretty
you-
mask, huh?
Whatever you did, any chance you could do it to the other towers?
Sure, but just so you know, I had to sync up with the tower to fix it. I'm seeing all crime data in the area now. Looks like there's a break-in happening near me.
Great. I've got units nearby.
Don't bother. I'm on it.
Come on, Yuri. Alright.
Do it.
Do it.
Watch my
Okay.
back.
Okay. Bro, you can't still clearly see that. What are you doing, bro?
Sure these
Come on,
guys
I'm
didn't
jumping
get the
in.
keys.
Oh shit. Enemies remains blocking.
I can't reach you! Quit moving!
Oh crap, bro. Who next? Who next? Who next? Who next? Where'd you come? Come on. First mission right there, completed.
Okay, wrapped up.
Thanks for that. Now I'm seeing an assault near you.
You're in luck, Yuri. Your favorite tough but lovable, grizzled, seen-too-much detective is in town.
What? No. You promised you wouldn't do that any...
Spider Cop.
Please, no.
So you're the snitch.
Back off, creep.
Back off, creep. That's what she said.
She's the one.
I said back off.
Isn't that the same dude I just found?
Leave me alone.
Keep it quiet, lady.
Don't touch me.
Who am I gonna attack?
Get away
Attack
from her.
Spider-Man.
What the? What am I doing? Clearly, he just hit his own friend, but. Oh my god. How was he hitting me so hard? Maybe. Why is it go so deep? Oh, there we go. There we go.
Walk away now, or she's dead.
Let me go.
No. Save the hostage before time runs. Use the LA to press R1 to disarm. What the?
All clear, ma'am.
I knew Jameson was wrong about you.
Thank you.
You're a little weird, but you got a good heart.
Okay.
Have you got somewhere to go?
I can take care of myself.
Okay.
I'm sure you can, but just in case, there's a place called the Feast Center.
Seen it. I don't want charity.
They got the best wheat cakes in the city, hands down.
Mom used to make those. Haven't had any in a long time. I'll check it out. Thanks, Spider Guy.
Superman. I mean,
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Oh, well.
Okay.
Should be able to spot the next tower from up there.
Oh, yeah.
From his elevated position, Spider Cop spies his destination. A second surveillance tower.
Are you narrating yourself?
What? No, of course not. The chief never did understand Spider Cop. Thought he was a loose cannon.
Already regretting this.
Know what that was? Going up here now.
Bet I can modify these towers to track more than just crimes.
Got it. I got it.
Score. Towers are picking up all kinds of RFID signals now, including one nearby. What is that?
Let's go check it out. Right?
contacts from high school. Forgot I attached tracking dots to these.
High school.
Wonder how many of these are scattered around the city.
Dang. It's a lot of them. First date, man?
Still there? Got a robbery a
Yeah,
few
so
blocks away.
Spider Cop's on it. Part man, part spider, all cop.
Oh, robbery in
Move in the
progress.
safe. Do it.
Hey, fellas.
Ah! Spider-Man! Shoot him!
You did. Oh my. Ooh. I don't know what I did there, but oh shoot.
More of them? Guys, if you worked this hard at a legit job, you wouldn't need to be criminals.
Gotta regret this, spider freak!
What the hell?
All right, Yuri. I'm gonna repair the last Chinatown tower now.
Don't you mean Spider Cop's gonna repair it?
Been doing a little
I am
thinking,
Spider
Yuri.
Cop.
Policing's a young man's game, and Spider Cop, well, he's no spring chicken.
Please be going where I think you're going.
As of today, Spider Cop is officially retired.
Oh, thank God. I need a drink.
We'll all drink tonight, Yuri. Drink to the memory of Spider Cop's tireless... Yuri? Yuri, you there? Guess the emotion of the moment overwhelmed her.
Like the last one was supposedly.
I once were on scene and had the lanes clear.
We got it. We got it. Level up. Level up.
Not good. Can't have people taking pictures of my 3 chest hairs.
Shit.
Tools I need for suit repair at the lab.
Not a chill with chest
I
hairs.
wonder if Dr. Octavius is left for the day.
That is so messy. Oh.
Doctor,
crap.
how did it go with the committee? I'm so sorry I screwed things up.
Not at all, Peter. They're just nervous in the face of imminent triumph. They'll calm down. They always do.
Should I head back to the lab for cleanup?
No. I'm stepping out for dinner anyhow. We'll resume tomorrow. Short break, then back to creating the future.
I wish I could bottle and sell that man's optimism.
Awesome.
Sounds like he's left the lab for the day. Good time to work on my suit in private.
Huh. On to the next mission. Oh. Are we back? We back?
Unit. A break-in was just reported.
Oh, stop it. Yeah, so this dude might become like one of the bad dudes. you walking like this?
Looks like Doc's gone for the night. Time to sneak in some spider work.
Alright, we can run it.
Parker! Dr. Octavius, what you got there?
Chinese. If I know you'd be here, I would have... What are you working on?
Oh, just a side project.
Of course. It's you.
I
Whoa,
don't know
whoa,
what
whoa,
to
whoa,
do.
whoa.
Parker, it's obvious.
Let me explain.
I only wish you told me sooner.
I wanted to, but I was afraid that if word got out, my family might be in danger.
Huh. Yes. I guess if you design his equipment, you're bound to be a target too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, they really just
Your
caught
secret's safe.
that college just like that.
Well, I'll leave you to it.
Sorry guys, my chair.
Check your email. Hope this isn't how Doc fires me.
I need this job right now.
Peter, the revelation of your second job as Spider-Man suit crafter, is that the right term? Is a reminder of the good man and partner you are. No matter how hard you work, you still find time to help others. I hope you don't mind, but I noticed the suit was a bit damaged, and I took the liberty of sketching up some of my own improvements. Attached are a few ideas I had on how you could enhance his suit and help protect Spider-Man, who does so much for this city. Looking forward to the incredible work that we're doing and changing the world together. Your
Okay.
partner and friend, Otto.
White spider, huh?
You can enhance spider advanced suit. Oh yeah. To let y'all know I pre-ordered this game. So I got the Infinity War suit and everything. I'm about to try it out. Crafting new suit. Designers. See boss, increase your ability.
That should do it.
We might get that advanced suit real quick. Oh. Oh crap.
Excuse me, late for work.
Late for work.
Coming through.
Looking good, Spidey!
Hello, New York! New
Hey.
suit, same old me.
Yeah, so yeah, it's part of
I think I figured out how Finn's men are keeping his rackets running. Construction sites.
Wasn't that shut down when he was arrested?
No, it's one of his legitimate businesses. Multiple investors. We can't act without cause.
But now you've got that, right?
That's why I'm hoping you can keep an eye on the locations. Tell me if you see anything suspicious.
You got it. I'll be your nosy neighborhood Spider-Man.
Alright. Alright, so yeah, guys, this not too much action. This part 2, but yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys part 3 really soon. Yeah, so please like the video if you like, or at least watch it maybe. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna give you more videos, part 3, part 4, all of them. Yeah, so thank you, and thank y'all,
My
and
loyal
we are
listeners,
together.
brushheads they call
All right.
themselves, though
Thank you guys, and
will remember my
sorry for my
warnings
chair.
about the
Thank you
downright
guys, and see you in part 3.
crime
Thank you.
monitoring system the city was
My
installing.
chair. All right, bye.